If you are a software developer, a programmer, and you are looking for a way to make good money online, then look no further. There is this application, or it's a website called REPLIT.com. You can go ahead, sign up for an account with them, then you log into your account. There are a lot of offers that are available. If you're able to work on these offers, you get paid for your services. So let's see how this works. This is the site. Once you log into your account, you can go ahead and click on the three lines at the top left corner of the site right here. Then the next thing is to click on what you call bounties. So you click on that. Once it's opened, there are a lot of offers or projects available. You can choose from any of them. If you think you are able to do any of this project, you get paid after you are done with the work. Now you can see there's an option called create a bounty. This is where you also pay people to do work for you. That's if you are doing a project and you think that you cannot finish it on time, or you are having challenges with the project and you can pay people to do that. You can come here and create a bounty. That's where you pay people to also do what? Work on your project. Now let's see the available projects where you can also work and get paid. So scroll down, you see there are different kind of offers available. You can work on them and get paid. So this one is $45, this one is $20, this one is $180. There are a lot of different kind of offers. Scroll down, just read through the one you think you can work on, then you go ahead, you apply, and then you work on it. So you can see this one here, you have 5 applicants, this one we have 5 also, and this is 6 applicants, this we have 6. A lot of different offers available. So let's try to open one of the projects and see what is expected of us. So let's open this one and see what the project is all about. Now this project is a setup custom agent GPT. Now let's see the program description. Trying to set up agent GPT on REPLIT and customize it so that it will write content for the chapters of textbooks. Now acceptance criteria, I just need a setup ready to run. Then technical details, none. Now this is the link where it will take you to the project to understand more about the project. So let's click on the link to see what the project is all about. So you see here, you can read through to understand more about the project to be able to work on it. So this is the way it works. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share to those who are in need of it. I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching and hoping to see you in the next video. Bye bye.